Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let us see how to solve this given question. Here we have to find the angle between the curves, okay, these two curves, in the fourth quadrant. Okay, now what does this mean? I'll tell you later. But a simple statement. Angle between the curves is equal to angle between their tangents. Okay, angle between the curves is angle between their tangents at the point of intersection. Fine. So let's first find out the point of intersection, then the slopes of tangents, then angle between the tangents. Chalo. Now these are the given two curves. 2y square minus 9x equal to 0 and 3x square plus 4y equal to 0. Now how to solve so that I can get the point of intersection? See, let's just take this first equation first. 2y square minus 9x is equal to 0. So send this minus 9x to the RHS. So what I would get is 2y square is equal to 9x. Fine. Now send this 9 to the LHS. 2y square by 9 is nothing but x. So x is nothing but 2y square by 9. Mark it as equation 1. This we will be using it later. Okay. Now, so x is nothing but 2y square by 9. This I got it from the first equation. So the first equation I simplified it to this, x is equal to 2y square by 9. Now just put this in the second equation. Put x is equal to 2y square by 9 and 3x square plus 4y equal to 0. So that my entire equation will be converted to y and I can get the value of y. Okay. Now here I have 3x square. Be careful here. Here I have 3x square. So x is what? 2y square by 9. So I'd get 3 into 2y square by 9 whole square plus 4y. See, 3 into, in place of x, I put 2y square by 9 power 2 plus 4y. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Now let's solve. See, this is like a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m is a power m by b power m. Okay, a power m by b power m. So this would be nothing but 2y square whole square divided by 9 square. So 3 into 2y square whole square by 9 square. Fine. Now 2y square whole square is 4y power 4 because 2 square is 4 and y square whole square. Y square whole square is nothing but y power 2 into 2, that means y power 4. So I'd get 3 into 4y power 4 by 9 square, 9 into 9, 81. So this is what I'd get. Okay. Now in the denominator I have 81. Now 3 ones are 327s are. Okay, don't strike it off. I'm just doing this to explain to you guys. 3 ones are 327s are. So fine. So in the next step you would see 4y power 4 by 27 plus 4y equal to 0. Fine. Just erase this because striking is not good. It doesn't look good. Even in exam I would not suggest you to strike. The examiner will understand seeing your steps what you have done. Now we have two terms, 4y power 4 by 27 and plus 4y. Now what to do? I want to take something common. Now if you see here there is a 4, in the first term there is a 4, in the second term also there is a 4. So I can take 4 common, that is one thing. Next, here there is a y, here there is y power 4, that means 1 y I can take it common. So I can take in total 4y common. If I take 4y common, I will get 1 y is gone and 4 is gone. So y cube by 27. Here 4y is gone, 1 will remain plus 1. 4y into y cube by 27 plus 1. I hope this step is clear. Fine. Now, any doubts you can put them in the comments box. Like say that okay, end this minute like at 2 minutes 50 seconds or 3 minutes 43 seconds, something like that. I have a doubt. Now next, this 4 send it to the RHS. So 0 by 4 will be 0. So what I get is y into y cube plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, y into y cube plus 1 equal to 0. Fine. See, once again I'm telling, 4 you send it to the RHS, 0 by 4 is 0. So y into y cube plus 1 equal to 0. Fine. Now see, there are two possibilities. Either y can be 0 or the term in the bracket can be 0. Two possibilities. Either y equal to 0 or y cube by 27 plus 1 equal to 0. So y equal to 0, comma y cube by 27 plus 1 equal to 0. Two cases. Now, let's just simplify this. This is already like y equal to 0, right? So y equal to 0, comma y cube by 27 equal to minus 1. I just send this one to the RHS, so I get minus 1. Now, send this 27 to the RHS, so it would get multiplied. Minus 1 into 27, minus 1 cross 27, so minus 27. Y cube is minus 27. Y equal to 0 is there already. Now, if you observe, here I have y cube. In the LHS, I have y cube. Okay. Now, in the RHS also, I want to write it as something of cube or something. Okay, like something's cube. And minus 27, I can write it as minus 3 whole cube. Okay, minus 27, I can write it as minus 3 whole cube. Fine. Chalo. So y cube is minus 3 whole cube. So y will be minus 3. So y equal to 0 or y equal to minus 3. Now if you guys remember, I'll just show you. See, what was our question? We have to find out the angle between the curves in the fourth quadrant. When we solved, we got two possibilities, y equal to 0 and y equal to minus 3. If you see, fourth quadrant means in the first quadrant plus plus, in the second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant minus minus, in the fourth quadrant this would be plus comma minus. So y would be negative, y should be negative in the fourth quadrant, but I got one value is y equal to 0 and one value is y equal to minus 3. So y is negative when y equal to minus 3, only that case we have to consider, that will come in the fourth quadrant. Y equal to 0, you don't have to do it, so fine. That's why just consider y equal to minus 3, because they are asking us to find out the angle between the curves in the fourth quadrant. So I need to find out a point in the fourth quadrant. Y equal to 0 is not a point in the fourth quadrant. Okay, fine. So because if you'll solve, no, see, I'll tell you. First, let's solve. See, this I marked it as equation 1, if you guys remember. X equal to 2y square by 9. I found out y. I need to find out x also. So x equal to 2y square by 9. So y is minus 3. So y square will be 9. Y square will be 9. So 2 into 9 by 9. 2, 9, 9 cancels. So 2. So my point is 2 comma minus 3. Okay, 2 comma minus 3. Now if you see, if I would put 0 in this, so I'd get x is equal to 2 into 2 by 9 into 0. So x is 0, y 0, that is origin, that is not a point in the fourth quadrant. You guys are understanding, right? Why I am only considering y equal to minus 3, not this other solution. Fine, chalo. So I got the point of intersection 2 comma minus 3. I took it as p 2 comma minus 3. Okay, fine. Now next, now I got the point of intersection. After this, what do I need to do? After this, I need to find out the, I mentioned right already, angle between the curves is angle between the tangents. If I want angle between the tangents, I first need to know the slopes of tangents. Then I can find out the angle between the tangents. How can I find out the slope of a tangent? Slope of a tangent is dy by dx. Slope of tangent is given by dy by dx. So my task right now is to find out dy by dx. I hope this is clear. I hope it's not confusing. So fine, now I need to find out dy by dx. There are two curves. So write down the two curves. Differentiate both of them, because I want dy by dx, right? You get dy by dx when you differentiate. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. So 2 into derivative of y square minus 9 into derivative of x equal to 0, because derivative of 0 is 0. Again, like 3 into derivative of x square plus 4 into derivative of y equal to 0. Derivative of 0 is 0. So again here also I just wrote. Now listen carefully. See, derivative, I could just write derivative of 2y square, but 2 is a constant. I can keep it outside of derivative. Likewise, 9 is a constant. I kept it outside the derivative. Here also 3 is a constant. I kept it outside the derivative. 4 is a constant. I kept it outside the derivative. Fine. Now, derivative of y square. Now listen carefully, guys. What is derivative of x square? Derivative of x square is 2x, but derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx. See here, I'm differentiating with respect to x, but my variable is y. So as per chain rule, I'd get 2y into dy by dx. Okay, now 2 into 2y is 4y. See, this is nothing but 2y dy by dx. So here already a 2 is there. 2 into 2y is 4y. So 4y dy by dx minus derivative of x is 1. Okay, fine. Let me erase this. Chalo. Fine. Here also derivative of x square is 2x. So 3 into 2x is 6x. 6x plus 4. Derivative of y is dy by dx. Now send this minus 9 to the RHS. So I get 4 by dy by dx is 9. Now send this 6x to the RHS. So I get 4 dy by dx is equal to minus 6. Now send this 4y to the RHS. So I get 9 by 4y. So dy by dx is 9 by 4y. So I found out dy by dx for the first curve. Now here dy by dx is nothing but minus 6x by 4. Minus 6x by 4, which is nothing but, if you take like 2 2s are 2 3s are, so minus 3x by 2. Fine. So I found out the dy by dx for the second curve as well. Fine. Chalo. Now we need to find out the slope of tangent at a particular point. What is our point? 2 comma minus 3. Slope of tangent at p2 comma minus 3 is m1, the first slope denoted by m1, dy by dx at 2 comma minus 3, dy by dx at 2 comma minus 3. Here x is 2, y is minus 3. My formula is 9 by 4y, y is minus 3. So 9 by 4 into minus 3. I hope it's clear. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 3 by minus 4, so minus 3 by 4. Likewise here also slope of tangent is m2, denoted by m2. So what I'd get is dy by dx at 2 comma minus 3. Here x is 2, y is minus 3. My dy by dx is minus 3x by 2. So minus 3 into x is 2. 2 by 2. 2 cancel minus 3. So m1 is minus 3 by 4 and m2 is minus 3. So I got my m1 and m2. I got the slopes of tangents. Now let's take a small break here. Okay, let's take a small break. I was going through quotes by Swami Vivekananda, so I found this quote. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. I'll say it again. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. So it basically means that, like, see, things will become easy when we keep putting in effort. Like, you see, right, things will start to seem easy, but we are lazy to take the first step. Is also, it's very difficult to take that first step, is also very difficult. I'm sure, like, you guys know it. Let's say you just lie down on your bed, like you want to sleep, and you already lied down. Now you want to go and switch on the fan. It's so difficult, right, to who will wake up, who will stand up and go and switch on the fan. But if you are already like in a standing position, like let's say you just entered the room and you want to switch on the fan, you will just go there and turn on the switch. You are getting right? అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు? పనులు అస్సలు చేసే వాళ్ళకి కష్టంగా అనిపించదు, అస్సలు ఏం చేయకుండా బద్ధకంగా ఉండే వాళ్ళకి బాగా కష్టంగా అనిపిస్తుంది. See, the thing is, మొదలు పెట్టామంటే అది నెమ్మదిగా ఈజీగా అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. స్టార్టింగ్లో కొంచెం కష్టంగా అనిపించవచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, చిన్నప్పుడు మన ఎవరికి బైసైకిల్ రాదు, మనమేం పుట్టుకతో నేర్చుకోలేదు బైసైకిల్ తోలడం. వీ డోంట్ నో హౌ టు రైడ్ అ బైసైకిల్ రైట్ వెన్ వీ వర్ బోర్న్, బట్ వీ లెర్న్డ్ ఇట్. హౌ వీ స్టార్టెడ్, వీ కుడ్ నాట్ సక్సీడ్, we started, we tried again, we were busy trying the bicycle, and hence that's why in the process slowly, then now we are confident that yes, I can ride the bicycle. But అనుకోండి మీరు అప్పుడే లైక్ ఎవడి కావాలి బైసైకిల్ పడవచ్చు కింద అలా లేజీగా ఉండి అసలు స్టార్టే చేయకపోతే పని, you may not be knowing bicycle even right now. So that's what, things will get easy as you are in action. Okay, so my sincere request, keep studying. మీరు చదువుతూ ఉంటే చదువు ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. బుక్ ముట్టకుండా నేను 3 గంటలు కూర్చొని చదువుతాను. ఇప్పుడు ప్లాన్ వేసుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. ఐ స్టడీ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ టైమ్. అండ్ వెన్ ద టైమ్ కమ్స్ యూ విల్ ఫీల్ అబ్బా చదవాలా చదవాలా. You get me, right? That's why when you keep studying regularly, things will feel easy. That's why సంవత్సరం అంతా చదివే వాళ్ళకి చదువు అంత కష్టంగా అనిపించదు. వన్ డే బ్యాటింగ్ వాళ్ళకి అబ్బా ఎంతో కష్టంగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఈవెన్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఈస్ డిఫికల్ట్. ఓకే ఫైన్. సో ప్లీజ్ keep putting in effort. And now let's come back. So we got m1 and m2. m1 is minus 3 by 4 and m2 is minus 3. So tan theta, if theta is angle between the curves at p, then tan theta is modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Now just substitute. m1 is minus 3 by 4, m2 is minus 3. I just substituted. You see, I use brackets like how I have used, so that see minus of minus 3 and 1 plus minus in the bracket minus 3 by 4 into minus 3. Okay, now listen carefully how I am solving. This would be minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by minus into minus is plus 3 3s are 9, 9 by 4. So 1 plus 9 by 4. Let's take LCM. So here like 4 will get multiplied here. Minus 9 plus 3 into 4. What is 3 cross 4? It is 12. So minus 3 plus 12 by 4, and here also 4 will go here. 4 plus 4 into 1, 4 cross 1, 4 into 1 is 4. So 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9. Okay, 4 plus 9 is 13. So this is what I did, 4 plus 9 by 4. Now minus 12 plus 3, you can see it as 12 minus 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So 9 tan theta is nothing but modulus of 9 by 4 by 4 plus 9 is 13. So divided by 13 by 4. So 4 4 cancel, tan theta as modulus of 9 by 13. It is a positive number, 9 by 13, so modulus can be removed. So tan theta is 9 by 13 and theta is tan inverse 9 by 13. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for staying with me up till now. Fine. Not just this question, please do visit my channel for many other questions. Thank you.